You want to say hi to Ben for us? Say hi, Ben. Because I'll show this to Ben, right? This is why I'm not on the phone with you right now, Ben, because we're at McDonald's. Penny's got a Happy Meal, and I got some French fries. Thank you. This is our McDonald's. Some Canadian TV for you. Canadian TV for you, Ben. So yeah, there's Penny. Like I said, there's our food. We have a playroom right over there. I don't know whether that's what you have in the United States. But yeah.
Why only one more time and then poof, we go? Why only one more time?
Well, it's getting dark. I don't want to be out all night, huh?
Hey,
No, play correctly.
other people do that. Huh? These ears?
No, Penny, just put them back.
I guess they left them there. Don't forget the kids.
I see them. So do you think you're ever too old to
No,
enjoy
put the
this?
computer over there. The camera over there.
No, Penny, I'll just get a picture of you. We don't know them, so it's not a good idea.
Hi.
Hi, Penny.
Hi. Bye.
Bye-bye. Ow.
Ow.
You ready to go?
No. No, sorry.
Penny, she's just coming out. Go in another way.
Okay.
Or at least let her pass.
Okay. Sorry.
You don't have to crowd people, hon. Make room. No, that's the control tower.
What does the control tower do?
Well, the person that will lift the bridge will go in there and operate it from there.
I smell something bad.
That's a cigar.
And chocolate.
Looks pretty nice, doesn't it, Penny? A little jiggly.
One time I almost lost my shoe in the water.
That would be unfortunate, wouldn't it?
Because it wasn't my fault. I was just walking and then I just shoot it off. It slipped off.
Well, so why don't we be careful how we place our feet when we're crossing the bridge so we don't lose our shoes.
I don't want to go in there. Motorbike! Over there!
Yes, I see somebody on a bike.
Motorbike!
What's that?
Motorbike!
No, it's not a motorbike, it's a bicycle bike.
Not them. Are you going to go on that thing? I'm off there. I'm Are we still on the bridge?
We're just coming down from a dam.
That will never. We have to.
What's that?
Never mind.
There's the fountain over there.
Why can't we put our feet in there?
Because we're not even going in that direction.
Blah blah.
We're going this way.
Blah blah.